I heard that you can't draw anatomy, so this video is for you. Stay with me. Mobin here, and today I'm going to teach you how to draw the anatomy of characters. Let's go. Well, to draw a character like this, avoid starting with details. First, draw the basic anatomy using shapes like circles, rectangles, and ovals to divide the anatomy. For example, this turns into this. All great mangakas use this method. As you can see, we draw the head and joints as circles, the chest and lower body line as a box, and the rest of the body as ovals. Of course, there are styles that draw the chest in the shape of a circle, which I do not recommend at all because you may have problems in some angles, such as the high angle, like this. As you can see, you will have a problem drawing the high angle because if you use a circle, it is hard to recognize. Or in drawing a low angle like this. As you can see, you'll have trouble drawing the lower angle because using a circle makes it hard to recognize. And as always, here's a little cheat. Take a screenshot and use it to practice. If you don't know how to draw perspective, don't miss this video. My name is Mobin, and don't forget to subscribe.